I am in the trunk. Repeat, I am in the trunk.
How did you get inside of your own trunk?
Trickery, no doubt. I was jumping off a very tall building near a dumpster. Saving.
I got it. When the bad guys...
They have the gyrometer, and
You're headed for a cliff.
Wait, what?
One moment.
What was that?
Nothing. There's nothing.
Oh, spinning, spinning, spinning! Not good, not good!
In front of you is a phone with a kill switch.
Dead.
Click the pin twice, and your heel is a Zendure charger.
There's no way this still works.
10 seconds. You slide the power charger and disable the gyrometer.
How did you get the Zendure in my boot?
E, just press the button and save the world.
Zendure.
How did you know the cage was going to drop in front of the car and not on top of the car?
Science.
I was in the car, Rusty. The gyro... Never mind.